In this video, I'm going to show you how to bottle your homebrewed beer off of a Cornelius keg.
You're going to need a few parts for this project, such as a picnic tap, some beverage hose, and a disconnect, as well as a 3/8 OD stainless steel racking cane. I do use this a lot in the brew house. A number 2 board stopper, of course your CO2 tank regulator, cold and carved beer, and normal bottling items. So you want to go ahead and card that beer, get it ready for showtime, and this is me to make sure it's an acceptable level of carb. So this is a Flanders Red I brewed in a previous video that I'll link to. Passes the test and it's good to go. Bleed off any excess head pressure that you have in the keg. Reduce your regulator down to the 5 to 10 psi range. I'm using the paintball regulator because I don't like to monkey with my main regulator. The gauge has long been broken, so I have to do this by sound. Alright, close enough. Hook that back up to the keg. And here I've got my picnic tap already pre-assembled and in the fridge to be cool, so I'll bring that out right now. Sanitize your bottles. I like to use a 5-gallon bucket as well as Star Sand. Pull some of your sanitizer out and add your caps to this. Just keep them submerged and on the ready. Sanitize your racking cane, both sides, inside and out, and then slip that number 2 bung over top of it. She'll slide on a lot easier if she's lubed up. Insert the end of the racking cane into the opening of the picnic tap. You'll need a little bit of elbow grease on this. Grab a bottle from your bucket and pour out the excess sanitizer. Then take your racking cane with number 2 bung, slip it in, and form a tight seal. Open up the picnic tap, and you'll see that the regulator reaches an equilibrium, in which point you have to squeeze the bung to initiate the flow again. This should take 12 to 15 seconds, and ideally you'll want to maintain a 1/4 inch layer of foam. As you get up to the top and up into the neck, take it all the way until it hits the bottom of the bung, and then close the picnic tap. Then you'll remove the bung and the stainless steel racking cane, get to a good fill level, and then put your cap on top. Let it dance a couple times, and then lock it down with the capper. I like to do this in a saucepan or a bowl to catch that extra drippage, and then dry it off with a towel.
I'm not going to lie, this procedure requires a little bit of a learning curve. So if you're enjoying these short and concise videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. My name's Garrett, and I'll see you in the next one.